and myself Aditya, and today I'm thrilled to introduce you to KitchenSync, a groundbreaking solution designed to revolutionize pantry management and meal planning for individuals and families. In a world where time is precious and managing our everyday lives can feel overwhelming, KitchenSync offers a seamless experience, ensuring that you make the most out of your kitchen. With KitchenSync, we've set out to tackle common challenges faced in the kitchen, such as pantry disorganization and food waste. Our platform also provides a comprehensive set of features aimed at enhancing your kitchen experience and simplifying the way you plan, prepare, and enjoy the meals. Just imagine effortlessly keeping track of your pantry inventory, receiving personalized recipe recommendations based on your preferences and available ingredients, and just seamlessly organizing your meal plans. Just all from one convenient platform. But KitchenSync is more than just a tool. It's a solution that adapts to your needs and preferences, continuously evolving to better serve you. Next slide. So this is the agenda, and over to you, Kapil.
Thank you, Aditya. Hi guys, my name is Kapil. The problem statement for our project is managing food inventory for two kind of users, one for the personal user and one for the business users. Personal users are like people like us who want to add like the inventory in the fridge or in their kitchen, just to be sure like when do they restock and if when do they want to restock or if any item is missing or about to finish. It lets them know so that they can reorder it or replace it with something else. uh, and for the personal users, we thought like adding one more feature like giving recipe based on the ingredients or the inventory they're left with. For the business users, we would be adding more business features like automatic stock restocking or like showing them the food which is going to expire and how long it's going to take to restock it or something like that. And we also predict how much stock they need based on the upcoming events. Like if it's summer, they need to restock more on sodas and water, so it will predict like what items they need to stock based on the temperature. And this is our project description. uh, as I explained the most part, our project is going to work or in the previous part. mm, this project helps meal planning and suggests recipes with what we have. It also notifies the shelf life of the food items. Unlike the old or traditional systems like shopping list apps, which are like static and it doesn't really recommend or we can't use it for further, like it's like very old. We need something more and creative, so we came up with this idea. And next my teammate will continue.
Hi guys, I'm Sujitha Chethireddy. We are eight members in our team. I'll be introducing you each one of them. First is Bala Sahithi. She'll be working on the back end with Java and SQL. Next, Aditya, he'll be working on the software development. Next, Hemanvitha, she'll be working on the front end with React and HTML. Shashank will be working in the front end as well with HTML and React and other technologies. Next slide, please. And other person is Sasank Chaudhary. He will be working on overall software development with Java. And Kapil Krishna will be working in the backend as well with JavaScript and MySQL. Neha will be working in the software testing, how the app is running and for the user cases, UI development, and I'll be working in the software testing as well. Next, to Hemanvitha. You're on mute, Hemanvitha.
Hello everyone, I'm Hemanvitha. I'm here to introduce our personas for the project. The first persona we're gonna meet is Kale. He's a 21-year-old freshman. He comes from a low-income family living in a dormitory. He's on a tight budget and he needs to make his grocery shopping list as efficient as possible. He has a cheerful personality, he is disciplined, hardworking, and initiative. His goals are to save money by minimizing his food waste and maintain a healthy diet without investing excessive time in cooking. He wants to achieve his goals by utilizing the ingredients he already have, so that he doesn't have to like waste excessive amounts on new stuff. And next slide, please. And the next persona we're going to meet is Zoe. She's a 32-year-old advocate. She has a very busy lifestyle and she's health conscious and enjoys eating a lot of nutritious food. She is altruistic, she's organized, and she's passionate about her work. And Zoe aims to uphold a nutritious diet and streamline her grocery shopping by focusing on essential ingredients. She loves to explore various cuisines and which match her dietary preferences. And so she needs an app which kind of like suggests the recipes with whatever ingredients that are like readily available that match her dietary preference to make her dining experience more enjoyable. Next slide. And the next person we're going to meet is Michelle. She's a 44-year-old busy mom. She's a working mom of 4, and she juggles between her demanding job and household responsibilities. She's empathetic, forgiving, and nurturing, and she's very patient. Michelle often finds herself wasting a lot of food, so she wants a system which kinds of help her to maintain her pantry system and also provide her family nutritious and well-balanced meal while reducing food waste. She also wants to avoid frequent trips to the store for the ingredients so that she can streamline her meal planning. Next slide. And the next person we're going to meet is Diego. He's a 49-year-old restaurant manager. Diego manages a small restaurant specializing in his local cuisine. He multitasks a lot, and so he kind of tends to overlook his inventory management, which kind of lead to occasional food waste. Diego is creative, he's community minded, which kind of tells us about how he is running a local community cuisine. He's entrepreneurial and he's also passionate. Diego needs a system that can assist him in monitoring the restaurant's food inventory and suggest him the recipes, like the simple recipes using the existing ingredients, and also remind him about the shelf life of his ingredients. Diego aims to reduce his food waste by using his food inventory optimally and to increase its profits too. And over to Neha.
Hi guys, this is Neha Srinivasaiah. Our project is mainly based on web application. So for that, we'll be using technologies and languages like Java, HTML, and React for the backend. And when it comes to the front end, we'll be using Visual Studios. And for the database management, we'll be using MySQL and all the other applications like GitHub. That's it. Over to my next teammate.
Sahithi, hi. Hi, this is Bala Sahithi. The teamwork agreement is main purpose is to establish an outline of expectations, roles, responsibilities, and conduct required for our and also the main terms of our agreement is team values and principles. It includes respect, communication, accountability, collaboration, and flexibility. Next, roles and responsibilities. Each team member will have specific roles and responsibilities. These roles may evolve as the project progresses, and any changes will be communicated over the group and agreed by the team. The next, we are agreed on meeting structures and communication channels. Uh, we we are frequently meets on Saturday, and also we shared 24 hours in advance by the team lead in WhatsApp or mail. And also we have team communication channels. We use our college mails to update our project updates, and also decisions will be made collectively. And if any the majority vote will be used, critical decisions will be documented and shared with all teammates. Then we have conflict resolutions and work distributions, and we also mainly focused on performance and feedbacks. Next, over to you, Shashank.
Hi, I'm Shashank. So we have created a project schedule for performing project tasks by planning ahead of time so that we complete each task in a structured and planned way. So in this schedule, we have all the details in it, like the task name, to which person it is assigned to in the group, start date, end date, and its progress. We have divided the tasks sprint-wise, which helps us to keep a track of what are the things that we need to complete in this particular sprint. All these tasks and the timelines are also shown in the form of the Gantt charts in the same Excel for an easy overview of how they overlap and how one task proceeds or succeeds one another. In the next slide, we'll be continuing.
Hi, my name is Sasank Chaudhary. I'm here to talk about the retrospectives of this project. So let's discuss on what worked well. Well, it was a smooth setup. We successfully handled all the tasks like setting up the environment and configuring tools. And we carefully got everything ready for the next sprints. This sprint one was a win, and we completed all the setup tasks and nailed down the project ideas. The requirement story would be we document all the project needs, user details, and agree on how the team will work together. So the team, we all did a very good job, and our communication was effective, and we created a really collaborative environment. Over to next slide. Let's discuss on what needs to be improved. Frequency of team meetings and time need to finalize on the discussions and tasks. Need to set up the Jira board per task tracking. That's all for now. My next teammate will continue this.
So the slide shows the tasks which need to be completed in this upcoming sprint. We have planned to create test cases, update presentation with professors' feedback, build an MVP for our project, and later continue developing the same. We are also going to create product backlog to keep track of which tasks are completed and what needs to be completed more. Creation of metrics will help us measure our work quantitatively, proceeding ahead, and what to improve on our efficiency to achieve our goals. Each team member will be updating the progress of each task as they see the progress in the tasks assigned to them, so that other teammates can have a better idea of what's going on and to find out whether if someone is falling behind.